as you can see, they are grinding the concrete in the auto shop classroom, hallway, and office. And I am walking up to the wood shop and metal shop to give you guys a construction update up there. They are up here on the hill. You probably can't see it, but they're putting in a new gas line and a new water line coming down from the district office behind the ag shop. And there's all kinds of stuff going on around here today. As we walk up to the shops, you can hear a concrete saw going. And there's the gate to the wood shop outside area all done. And random hole. And let me put my mask on so in case anybody's in here. So, and looks like all the insulation up there is done inside here. Still haven't put the internal windows in, but they've got the plumbing in. And the outside windows are in over there, and the outside windows are in over there. You see this stuff, and they've got this back wall sealed up. And obviously electrical is not done yet, so they have not run electrical. Looks like they got fire sprinkler mostly done, water mostly done, HVAC mostly done, and then they closed up this wall back here. We'll go around and check out what they did over there. There's the sheetrock already there, and there's what looks like the new gas storage area on the back side of the metal shop, if I'm understanding correctly. Looks like that's what that's gonna be. There's a new gas shed. And we'll walk over here to the wood shop, see if we can see what's going on over here. Maybe we can get in. Looks like we can. Like they got the floor all cleaned up in here. This is the wood storage area. And here's the roll-up door. Just kind of checking it out. How's it going? Hooking up machines?
No, I just punch the stuff like seismic.
Oh.
For all the lights that...
Oh, to chain everything?
Yeah, so if it swivels, it won't, 45 degrees, it won't hit nothing.
Oh, I see. Cool. Yep, we're getting close. And the dust collection system's going in. So that's how it looks like in here. All right, that's it.